In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect access control devices into DSS version 8. So let's start. First, open the DSS 8 client, go to Configuration, choose Devices, and this is actually divided in two parts: devices which are already connected and available devices. So choose the device which you would like to connect. In our case, I would like to connect this controller 1204B. So I select it and add to device list. Of course, you can also connect multiple devices at the same time. Device was successfully added. Close. If you want to check if everything is okay, go to Application, Access Management, and over here we can see the devices which are already connected. As you see, they got the default names at the moment. So channel 1, channel 2, channel 4, and so on and so on. The device 196 is online and it's over here. As you can see, the name of the door is channel 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you want to change that, let's go back to device list. Over here, just use the filter for access control. Look for the device where you would like to change the name of the door. Click on Edit. Now go to access control channel and change the name. For example, door 1. And hit OK. Once we go back to access management, we can see that the name of the door was changed. Of course, device needs to be restarted. The doors can be placed also in the live view. If you place the door in the live view and camera is not bounded, you will see just the black window and you get a possibility to open or to close the door. How you can add the camera to the door which are already in DSS? Go back to devices, go on device configuration, find your new devices. In our case is this access control. Over here we got the door 1, which we just changed the name. Click here on modify and choose the camera which can see the door. I will choose this camera. Actually, it doesn't matter at the moment. And click OK. If we go back to monitoring center and we choose door 1, we will see the camera added to the door and we can open the door from here or close the door over here. So instead of having just the empty window, now I got the camera which is watching the door or the gate. Okay, that's it from me. Thank you very much for watching.